Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Okay, gonna try to make a quick video here. It's about execution strategy. Yeah. So because basically I'm trading there are about three to four skills that you're gonna need to be successful. One is to be able to identify trade direction. Second is to be able to execute the trade. And third, you have to be able to manage your risk and manage your trade lah. So trade management could be put in as a own skill lah. Okay, so anyway, kat sini saya nak share execution strategy. So basically ada dua execution strategy lah. Satu you guna instant or market order, and another you can use a pending order lah. Okay, and within pending order you have the stop and limit order lah. So instant market order biasa digunakan lah, biasa digunakan orang. Pending limit pun biasa, dan pending stop usually once you get comfortable with execution, you're gonna realize you're gonna need a stop order lah, whether buy stop or sell stop. So anyway, ada dua trade yang dekat sini nak share, which is the pound yen, also the silver trade. Okay, ni on a 4 hour. I think the pound yen has already been entered like last week using market order, but silver we put it on a buy stop, and then currently if you look at silver, dia dah breakout daripada downtrend line ni from the past couple of weeks lah. Alright, so right now is forming some sort of a bearish punya pendant lah, bearish pendant macam tu. Alright, most likely it's gonna push to the upside. Why I said that is because if you look at the daily, kalau you buat trend line, you can either put over there this Fibonacci fan, ataupun you can put from the last swing low, which is here, and then last swing low, last swing low dengan the highest swing high. Okay, so dia sit at that trend line. Kalau you put on a weekly pun lebih kurang dia on the upper trend line lah. So I think we talk about this trade also, so I'm not going to dwell on the technical detail, but I want to dwell on the execution strategy. So execution strategy ni, kalau you tengok dekat sini, satu kelebihan stop order ni is actually going to confirm you punya analysis. Because katakan you expect the market to go up, in this case go up lah, either up or down, doesn't really matter. The point I'm trying to make is you can use the stop order to confirm you punya trend direction. So dalam case ni, kalau katakan it trigger the buy stop, and then that basically confirm that the trade is gonna push to the upside lah, and likewise to the downside. So kelebihan gunakan stop order ni actually is gonna confirm you punya trend analysis. Market order ni, okay, market order ni saya sebenarnya nak share is not really unless harga yang you nak tu dah memang berada at the battlefield. Maknanya lebih katakan you expect dia pergi atas lah, okay, and then dia retrace, you already identify your stop, of course. So dia retrace dan dia retrace to a point where the distance between your stop and the current price is so minimal, where if you enter that now, at that time when they retrace tu, your risk becomes smaller. So that is when you punya instant or market order is the best strategy lah. Tapi kalau macam katakan it's not the best field, not a better field, then better use pending order, limit or stop lah. So this is some of the challenge for a trader to overcome. Gunakan instant or market order ni, bukan kata tak boleh guna, boleh guna. Indeed, it's a good strategy, but you have to use it sparingly, meaning like only when price has retraced to a point where it's so close to your stop and you get a better feel and minimize your risk. So yang itu about instant market, right? Instant or market order lah, execution. So dalam case ni, what will happen, then I think not based on what I see. So based on what I see, I think the market is gonna push up. So right now, based on looking at this 4 hour chart, you tengok dia sekat kat sini, and then if the next 4 hour, because dia dah break dah for the last 4 hour bar kat sini, let me change that to candle. Okay, dia dah break sini, okay. So right now dia tengah fighting with this resistance line. Fan berapa line apa tu ni, about I think 50%. So if it close, if the next 4-8 hours macam tu dia close above this trend line, most likely what will happen is dia akan retrace to the downside before it start pushing up, or dia akan terus naik. So right now I'm keen to change this buy stop to buy limit. So you see, strategy is always it's not set in stone. It can always change depending upon the market condition. Sebab kalau dalam case ni, kenapa I kata I'm keen to change to buy limit? Sebab you tengok, kalau I letak dekat sini, okay, if it's already confirmed that the trade is going to push to the upside, so I will get a better feel and minimize my risk if I put a buy limit somewhere around here at the breakout point sini kan. So kalau kita tahu katakan Fibonacci ni, okay, so maybe somewhere around that 1750 macam tu, okay, 1750. So I get a better feel rather than and minimize my risk, because my risk would be, then maybe I can change risk I dekat sini, or maybe I let it there be, let it be around there. So my risk is around what, 25 pips kan, 250 points. So I reduce my risk ada yang dekat sini. So obviously it's a better strategy kan. At that point last week, memanglah kita letak at the stop point, because we want to confirm whether it's gonna push to the upside or not. And then even at this point, kalau you nak, indeed dia dah break pun dekat point ni kan. See, dia dah break dekat situ. So right now looking at market condition, I think it's prudent to change the buy stop to buy limit, so that we get a better feel. So that's what I'm going to do. Kalau ataupun kalau you nak, you boleh pecahkan ni kepada dua, maybe satu half of it you put as a buy limit and another half at buy stop, so at least dia tak trigger lah both position. And it's just then that this account ni dia tak boleh paling kecil pun 0.1, so I'm just gonna put it at to illustrate this point lah. Okay, as for the pound yen, this is on a 4 hour, so if you look at this struggling with this, kalau you nak boleh close lah 0.1 ke half partial. And then if you put the daily, okay, okay, I'm not gonna do so much lah on this technical, so I cakap tadi nak situ on sequence strategy, but let me just go like quick lah. Okay, so these are the line that we're looking at. So if price is able to close above ya, trend line rate ni, trend line rate, most likely dia akan berdepan dengan sini, dengan resistance dekat sini lah. And then you see there's a lot of resistance down here, so maybe we have to either exit early ataupun move the stop to break even +1, and then maybe we looking at the tractor photo around here dan bagi 2 dekat sini ya. And then kalau dia boleh stay above this line, most likely we push it. So there is a room to breathe around here. And then kalau kita tengok, kalau tengok on the daily ni, so it's gonna be quite a journey lah for pound yen if it were to push to the upside. Because kalau kita tengok pada COT pun ada a little bit of buying in sterling, so that's why I stay in this trade for now. Okay, okay, I think that's basically it. I hope this video help you out, or maybe this one. Let me just change this buy stop ni pada buy limit, buy limit 70 50 70. So how do you reduce my risk there? Alright, okay, so dah break up. So if it trace back to there, so that's buy stop too. Let's see how, if it breaks, then probably I just gonna, if this one is already triggered, then I probably gonna cancel this buy stop lah. Alright, okay, so hopefully that help you make a better trading decision. Till next time, thank you so much for watching. Assalamualaikum.